Alright, what's going on, guys?
Welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually gonna see Gus's stolen car. If you guys know what we're talking about, is Gus's S13 that got stolen like a few months back, and he got it back and he put it in one of his homies' yard, and we're putting the coils back on. He was gonna part it out, but he decided to keep it and actually put a new motor in it and everything. So right now we're heading there right now to get to put his coils on. So Gus's plan is to, because he already cut his whole front end out, and his plan is to actually tube up the entire front end, get some fenders because they stole the fenders. Hey,
where you going? You gotta go straight, bro.
Straight? Oh,
man, this was an Asian driver.
So, but yeah, anyways, he has to get 2 fenders. He already got a bumper, tube his front, and just a kit and a motor, basically. But yeah. Jeez, Gus, that's a lot of bunch of shit. What are we about to do today, Gus? I already told them.
It's the coil.
Yeah,
dude.
Oh my God, you guys. You asked me. Fuck y'all.
Bro,
We did this at the last.
you could have done this at 2.
Bro.
Yeah.
We could have been done by now.
Fucking trash. Bitch.
I don't know.
Go, come on, don't be a
You want
bitch.
Alex to come over here? Or no?
We have to go through this dirt hill, and he says he's too low.
Hold on, let us try to make it up the driveway.
Hold on, I'll call you.
You're gonna haul ass?
I don't know how.
It's for the.
Yeah, I know, because we're not
Oh,
home.
my bad, shit.
I need to come at an angle.
Nah, we haven't been home in... Alright, hold on, I'll call you back in like 5 minutes.
What the fuck is he doing?
I said I'll call you back in like 5 minutes.
Hopefully there's nothing behind me, because I might hit something. He's entering it backwards, bro.
Why?
I don't know, he thinks he's low.
Oh! Why would he do that?
I don't know why
Oil pan.
I don't know, man.
He's such an idiot. Huh?
Bro, the oil pan. GG. GG to the oil pan.
Hey, this is a good picture. Your signal's on. Oh my God, I guess we'll go backwards.
Why are you going crooked? You're about to go off the cliff.
Just go straight.
Thank you, Hoffman. No one said anything about going off the side. I looked at my review.
The dip though. Back up straight, you're good.
Bro! Hey! Turn the other way!
Yeah.
There it is. Rip.
Watch out. Oh, run your ass over. Holy shit, that thing is done, though. Whee! Damn, so here she is.
No,
You guys seen it now. Let's see if Gus actually puts this thing back together. Definitely lopped out now. Fucking rip.
Did they do this or you did this?
Fuck thieves. Fuck thieves.
Really?
Kill your local thief.
I mean, I don't see why that would be even a use.
Damn, dude, they literally stole everything they could possibly can inside.
No, they didn't. There's still the floor.
That's true. The mats. The dash is so destroyed.
How the frame is.
Oh my gosh. I don't even think this guy could bring this thing back.
It goes in like that.
Put in the coil in. Jeez. Shit looks so sad. Fucking rip. Literally. Damn, dude. It's so sad seeing this thing. At least the coil in the rear is still here. Hey, the coil in the rears are still here? Oh, you only took out the fronts? Oh, this should be a fast job.
Wait, did you
Look,
take this out?
your first one is already done.
Put it in?
Yeah, at least there's like nothing here.
The inside, besides the dash, still
Did
nice.
you take
Damn,
the
look at
column
all the
off, or they
wires
took it
off, and the harness,
Huh?
Around the steering
everything.
wheel, the column.
But look at the wires underneath, like you were telling me. Yeah, dude, I was gonna wait until I took that to my house.
So what are we doing? Just putting the coils on, and then what else?
You have to make it roll. As long as it
Honestly,
rolls, it's
not
all
that
that
bad,
matters.
though.
Yeah, you got the wheels? No wheels.
I was gonna do that when I get.
Damn, what happened right here though? Is that for
I was
you guys?
getting it off.
Wait, so they left one fender? Hey, they left one fender?
They broke it because they couldn't get it off.
And that was you.
Oh
kicking
wow.
it.
And that was you kicking it. Damn, they even stole the Iceyyyboyz sticker.
Left of the
Damn, bro. Hey, at least it's still wrapped. Mint condition, bro. Right now, we're just gonna clean out his interior, throw away anything he doesn't need, and then he's just gonna try to put on all the suspension. The only reason why he took it off was because he was going to part it out, but I guess he wants it still.
These ones that work with the impact.
You want your windshield wipers still, Gus? Oh no. Keep.
I don't care about the windshield wipers.
Huh? No.
He never even used it. There's only one. Dude, they even took the blades off, or the.
No, brother, I'm trying to take.
They literally took everything.
Look,
What peasants?
it goes over it.
Oh my god.
It's not needed. I just need the car to be able to.
Shit. Oh, smell if I bum some gloves?
You need all this shit, bro.
I want to put all this trash.
Jump.
Oh my god. Mirrors. Oh, dude.
And that all looks like rust, but it's not even rust.
What is this?
That's like the side panel for the door. Like the interior. Inside, like right here. Oh, here's a piece of the fender you're forgetting.
Like, that's trash. I'm talking about like trash.
Alright. Jesus, this is sad. Fuck your local thieves. Oh my god, there's like random bolts in here that we don't even know. Oh, this is gonna cut my ass. Oh. All the interior out. Oh no, we gotta leave that alone. Alright, well, I guess I'll climb in.
There's still a bunch of pieces.
Watch out, the headlight. This is pretty heavy. Fuck, don't even know what these are. This is so depressing. This is a Budweiser beer.
Alright, you try to kick it after? You should be done in like 15 minutes. I'll let you know.
Putting all the coilovers in so we could just get wheels on it and make it roll onto a trailer. trailer back to this place and bring this thing back to life, hopefully.
Fuck.
Why? You want me? Oh. I got you. You gotta bring this thing back, right?
I'm just. What?
About the windshield wiper.
Nah, Josh. I'm just wasting my time right now.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
On this beautiful Friday. Fuck.
There you go.
So we just got well, we're kind of getting Wendy's right now, but we just got done with Gus's car. We kind of just put the coils, the arms, and Dallas kind of cleaned the interior up and threw away whatever he didn't need, and everything's basically kind of clean. And we just wanted it to roll onto a trailer or like a tow truck, so we could get back home. And that's pretty much it. We about to eat some Wendy's and get litty.
What the fuck is that? Maple bacon?
Maple chicken.
Maple chicken, brother.
What is going on, guys? New day, actually new night. I just got off work right now, and so Gus got this new welder, and we're about to weld a new tip on to my wagon. Well, we're gonna try, but Gus has been trying, like, practicing welding and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna try to weld this onto the wagon. I don't have an exhaust setup because I used to have a DNA headers to Megan White pipe to a custom 2.5 inch all the way back, but like straight pipe. But the cops around here are like very like strict on the exhaust and how loud it should be. On top of that, there is a new law where there's no more I believe no more fix-it tickets, but correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, in the state of California there are no more fix-it tickets. It's just a big ticket, basically, about like 300 and something bucks, but I believe so. It's kind of dark, but I'll head out right now to Dallas's house.
Welcome back to the vlog, you guys. Welcome back to Iceyyyboyz. Thank you for subscribing and following along to our idiot.
Anyways, here's Gus's new welder.
Chicago Electric Welding, eh? Hey, fool.
Cheapest welder, but we're gonna see what we got. What?
I wasn't even trying to shut the garage.
Why?
Because I can't run an extension cord. The extension cord has to be a certain grade extension cord.
Yeah, but Dallas is
What?
fixing Ivan's skirt right now. Wait, what? Wait, why won't we just run through there?
Okay, but if you pull your car in, that shit's not gonna reach to over here.
Then I'm gonna move it frontwards. So here's the tip I've had for the longest time. Black on chrome, baby. We're just gonna fake it, bro. Oh shit, this hole's smaller.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Do you even know if it goes over?
Just put it like that. Just put it like this.
Here's Hoppy. Here's Hoppy. I told you. I told anyone anything. You probably thought it in your
I
head.
did, but then I was like, nah.
Nah. Unless you, well, we could chop off that thing.
Josh,
Chop off that hanger.
see this?
Yeah.
What do you want me filling
Stop
all
doing
that with?
that! Oh
Do you
my
want me to
god, we get
fill
it!
all that with metal?
Fuck.
Yeah, you're gonna have to chop the
Chop
stock one off.
the tip off.
Or I
I don't have a cutter good enough for that.
Look, or I can cut here, cut here, cut here, cut here.
And then expand it?
Like
Yeah.
just stick it on.
I know what you mean.
Off the pizzas. He said, fuck these niggas.
Then a cop could give you a ticket for modified exhaust.
No, then you chop it off and get the stock one and weld that back on. And it's not even modified, it's just the tip.
It's modified still.
That's stupid.
Doesn't matter.
No,
It's
this
stock.
no.
Doesn't
The noise
matter.
hasn't changed.
Doesn't matter, bro. You still get cut up. Bet.
He got a 1J and he's trying to tell you about a little exhaust kit.
That's so true.
Fuck out of here.
But he doesn't drive it on the street. So.
Man, fuck that thing. Anyone want to buy it, buy it.
How much, dude?
I'm a quitter. My name is Dallas Hoffman. I'm a quitter. Yeah, lather.
So the only way is to actually chop off the tip and put this on. Take the funk, or weld it like this. Weld the hanger onto there.
Please show them how he does his ring. How he brushes.
If you guys need any fiberglass work,
Give him the side angle and slow it down for them.
hit up Hoffman D. He does great fiberglass work.
Josh, slow this all down. Alright,
Look at Hoffman D.
I'm walking.
So we can't really weld the thing. So
Brush
just
the block.
fucking polishing that shit. Or cleaning it, most of the part.
Fuck the block.
Dude, that shit looks silver now. Holy fuck.
I hope you don't clean your dick as well as you clean your tip. Fuck.
Shut the fuck up. Bro, that shit's clean.
Yo, that actually looks like pretty nice.
Yeah.
Better than what it was, for damn sure.
Before you can even tell
It
them.
looks silver. Look on this side.
Look at, but that's
That's what
just
it
the
used to look
spot where
like.
I was like rubbing hella.
One spot.
That's just like one spot you were. Yeah. Damn. What are you using? He's using Mother's mag and aluminum polish for your stock or any exhaust to kind of make it look more polished chrome. It smells pretty good. Damn, look at that. This is the after. It's the little things, Gus. It's the little things, boy.
What, your penis?
Looking chrome, bro. Look at that from far away. Damn, shout out to Hoffman for helping me out.
The metal.
Cleaning that shit, look at that. It's the little things, guys. Like I said, the little things. That'll probably be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I was gonna make a Gus weld this exhaust on for me, or this tip. I was, but the homie Rob actually has an exhaust, but he doesn't have a tip. So I might give this to him. And Dallas was right. It saved me some time and some work, not actually cutting it off and like welding it actually on. Actually better just cleaning it, and it came out to be like super chrome and polished. It looked brand new. So I kind of ended up doing that, and like I said, it's the little things that actually make your car come out and look really nice. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And the mirror revisors are on pre-orders now. Thank you guys for ordering them. They actually sold out super quick. And pre-orders are right now, and I'll put the link up top right here. So yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.